Attention! All hints and tips shown here are personal experiences and serve as support. The repair is at your own risk. Hint: repairing tools. All repairing tools used by us in the video can be found in our webshop. Just follow the links in the video description. This repair can only be recommended for people with advanced experience in repairing smartphones. The back cover and also the battery are strongly glued and therefore there is an increased risk that something breaks. Moreover, there are many single components to transfer to the new LCD screen. Please write us in the comments on how difficult you felt the repair. Removing the back cover. Power off the device. Heat the back cover along its edges with the hot air gun or alternatively with the hairdryer. Remove the SIM card tray, for example with the help of a paperclip. Fix the suction cup in the lower area of the back cover. Slide the plectrum tool between back cover and screen frame while simultaneously pulling on the suction cup. As soon as you succeed, the plectrum can stick into the frame as a placeholder. Use a second plectrum to lever once around the whole back cover. Hint: there is a very small and sensitive flex cable of the loudspeaker located in the lower left area underneath the back cover. Be very careful and prevent damaging this while opening the device. If the adhesive is very strong, it could be helpful to use additionally a spudger. As soon as the adhesive is released completely, you can lift up the back cover. Attention! In the upper left area of the back cover, you will find the fingerprint sensor, which is connected to the LCD screen unit. Do not damage it while lifting up the back cover. Release the connector of the fingerprint sensor with the spudger for separating the back cover completely from the LCD screen unit. Remove the rough adhesive residuals from the back cover. Then heat the adhesive residuals on the LCD screen unit slightly and remove them with a tweezer. Removing components from the LCD screen unit to transfer them to the new screen. Remove 10 screws from the covering in the lower area of the LCD screen unit and from the loudspeaker module. Remove the covering with the help of the plectrum tool. Remove the protective foil from one of the screws. Remove 9 several screws from the upper area of the LCD screen unit. Release the antenna module with the plectrum and remove it together with the NFC antenna. Release the flat cable from the upper mainboard by using the plectrum tool. Then you can also release the battery connector with the plectrum tool. Remove the connector of the antenna cable from the lower mainboard. Release the first connector of the flat cable from the lower mainboard with the spudger. Unthread the antenna cable. Remove the lower mainboard carefully and then separate it from the antenna cable. Now you can also release the second connector of the flat cable and remove it. Release one several connector from the upper mainboard with the help of the spudger. Remove one several screw from the upper mainboard. Release the protective foil from the front camera module and then do also release the connector of the front camera. Now you can release the upper mainboard carefully with the spudger and remove it. Hint: if you want to replace the camera module, you can easily do that at this position. Just release the protective foil from the camera module and disconnect the camera module from the mainboard with the help of the plectrum tool. Then you can replace the camera module with a new one if needed. Link the new camera module to the upper mainboard and fix the protective foil again. Remove the front camera module. Then, heat the sensitive loudspeaker flex cable including the small mainboard slightly and remove it carefully. Attention! Be very careful to prevent damaging something. Remove the loudspeaker module with the help of the spudger. Fix the sensitive loudspeaker flex on the loudspeaker module and push it solid with the spudger. Heat the vibromotor slightly and remove it with a tweezer. Some complete LCD screens for the Huawei P20 Pro still include a new battery. In this case, you can ignore the next two steps shown in this video: removing the battery and fixing the battery. But if you want to install a display without battery or just want to replace the battery, then the next two steps are relevant for you. Removing the battery. Heat the battery slightly from the front side of the LCD screen. Lever out the battery step by step with the help of the plectrum tool and the spudger. Heat again if needed. Attention! The battery is strongly glued. Be very patient and do not use violence. If you do not succeed with the plectrum tool and the spudger, you can also use a shortened chip card for levering out the battery. Do not slide the tool too deep underneath the battery while levering it out. There is a flex cable located underneath the battery which can be damaged easily. As soon as the adhesive is released completely, you can remove the battery. If you want to reuse the battery after the repair, then you should straighten it now if needed. Fixing the battery. Hint: we suggest using the original adhesive for the Huawei P20 Pro for fixing the battery, or alternatively double-faced universal adhesive. In our case, the old adhesive was strong enough to reuse it. Insert the battery into the new LCD screen unit and push it solid. Insert the front camera and push it slightly. Do also insert the upper mainboard and push it slightly until it is locked in. Link the battery connector to the upper mainboard. Transferring components to the new LCD screen unit. Connect the front camera module and fix the protective foil on it. Fix one screw on the upper mainboard. Insert the vibromotor, push it solid and connect it. Insert the loudspeaker module and push it solid until it is locked in completely. Now you can insert the lower mainboard and fix it by pushing slightly. Thread the antenna cable into the LCD screen frame and connect it to the lower mainboard. Do also thread the second antenna cable into the LCD screen frame. Lay down the flat cable to the battery and connect it to the lower mainboard. Fix the connector of the flat cable with 2 screws. Do also connect the second antenna cable. Connect the flat cable to the upper mainboard. Lay down the covering of the lower mainboard and push it slightly. Fix the covering as well as the loudspeaker module with 8 screws. Do also link the second connector of the flat cable to the upper mainboard. Insert the antenna module, including the NFC antenna, and push it solid until it is locked in completely. Fix the antenna module with 9 screws. Closing the device. Hold the back cover beside the LCD screen unit and connect the fingerprint sensor. Hint: we suggest using the original adhesive foil for the Huawei P20 Pro for fixing the back cover. Since this was not available at the time we've made the video, we reused the old adhesive. Lay down the back cover to the LCD screen unit and adjust it by orientating on the camera. Push the back cover evenly solid with the cloth. Power on the LCD screen and test it for functionality. Insert the SIM card tray. Power off the device. Finally, fix the back cover again by using a cloth. We look forward to your comments, and if you like the video, do not forget to click thumbs up. Please let us know if you have questions or suggestions for future videos.